I've been getting complaints from the neighborhoods that you have been breaking their windows and been stealing their money. Ogon, what is wrong with you?
Papa, there's nothing wrong with me, Papa. I'm not the one stealing their money, Papa.
Who told you you're not the one stealing their money?
Papa.
You are the one that stole their money.
I'm not the one stealing their money.
Automatos cannot just call me and start shouting that you stole, accusing you that you stole his money.
Papa, I did steal their money. I did steal their money, Papa.
Oh, you are now lying to me.
Yes.
You think I will not know?
I did steal their
Ogo,
money.
you are lying.
I'm not lying, Papa.
Then why are you pinching your nose? Have you forgotten that anytime you lie, you let pinching your nose? You think I don't know you again? You have forgotten that you are my son.
Papa, I'm sorry, sir.
Yes, sorry.
I'm sorry, Papa.
Now you are sorry.
Papa, I'm the one that took it.
Oh, yeah, run and go bring that money. Go and bring it. Come on. Go. Go and bring it. Run. Nonsense. You keep on telling me rubbish. I'm stealing people. I've never stolen someone's things since I was born. Since my mother gave birth to me, I don't even know what it's called. Being. Talk more of coming and be stealing someone's money. Where did these stupid? Oh yeah. Open it. Let me see. Open it. You are becoming a thief. Oh God, open this thing.
Look at the money here. Look at it.
Where is it?
Look at the money here.
Where is the money? Get out from there. Okon, who also this money?
These are the money that I stole now.
Shut up. Who told you that you stole it? You took the money.
I took it.
You took it. You did not steal any money. You took this money. I'm talking of the ones you stole.
But these are the money that I stole from that man's house.
The man's house. You only took it. At this kind of moment, okay. You have to be wise. Okay. We're going to take this money to my room. Oh yeah.
Wait. But Papa, you said that you told me earlier that I should take it back to where I stole it from.
No, forget. How can you take back all this?
Okay, Papa, you mean that we should save it?
Save it. You're saving it already.